Yes, good morning students. As you know, we were taking chapter number 5 from our geography. The name of the chapter is Natural Resources, Natural Vegetation and the Wildlife. Now student, in my first part, I have explained natural vegetation, flora and fauna, and the factors, geographical factors which are affecting the types of natural vegetation and flora and fauna. According to the variation in India, we are having different types of vegetation. Tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest and shrubs, mangrove forest and montane forest. First of all, one by one I will explain you. Number one is tropical evergreen forest. Number one, tropical evergreen forest is also known as tropical rain forest. Number next, these forests are mainly found where rainfall is more than 200 centimeter rainfall. Number third, these trees are characterized by their hardwood and broad leaves. These trees, due to heavy rainfall, these trees are very dense. That's why these forests are having less economic value. Ebony, mahogany, rosewood are the important trees which are mainly found in tropical evergreen forest. Second, tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forests are also known as monsoon forest. These forests are mainly found where rainfall is more than 100 centimeter and less than 200 centimeter. Due to the variation in rainfall, tropical deciduous forests are of two types: wet deciduous forest and dry deciduous forest. यानी कि जहां बारिश कम है इस एरिया में वहां ड्राई डेसिडियस मिलेंगे और जहां बारिश ज्यादा है वहां पर वेट डेसिडियस मिलेंगे. एक एक एग्जांपल बोर्ड में पूछ लिया जाता है. तो वेट टीक इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ वेट deciduous forest and sal is the important tree in dry deciduous forest. These trees are very important. Sal, sagon, shisham are the important trees which are mainly found in tropical deciduous forest. These trees are mainly found in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand. It means we can say these forests are mainly found in maximum part of India. Number next, third vegetation, tropical thorn forest and the shrub, कटीले वन और झाड़ियाँ. बच्चों ये कहाँ उगेंगे? जहाँ बारिश कम होगी. So these forests are mainly found where the rainfall is less than 50 centimeter. These forests are also known as desert forest. Kikar, babool, cactus are the important trees which are mainly found in tropical thorn forest and the shrubs. Oases are mainly found there. ओएसिस समझते हो? ओएसिस का मतलब होता है कि पानी की कमी होती है और इन जंगलों में जो पेड़ होते हैं उनकी जड़ें बहुत लंबी होती हैं, लंबी होने के कारण ये दूर तक भी पानी खींचकर ले आते हैं। These forests are having less economic importance. इनकी इकोनॉमिक इंपॉर्टेंस कम होती है क्योंकि इन वनों की लकड़ी कमजोर होती है। Now is mangrove forest. In the coastal areas or in the deltas, river deltas, mangrove forests are mainly found. Hinter, Gurjan, Sundari are the important trees which are mainly found in mangrove forest. और सुनिए, इन वनों की लकड़ियों से जो माचिस घर में होती है, जो माचिस की डिब्बी बनती है, वो इन्हीं वनों की लकड़ियों से बनती है। तो वी कैन से मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट आर मेनली यूज्ड टू मेकिंग मैच बॉक्स एंड द बोट्स, क्योंकि कोस्टल एरियाज में होती है, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का यही मेन रीजन होता है, तो इन वनों की लकड़ियों से नाव बनाई जाती है। इन दीज ट्रीज Sundari trees are mainly found. That's why river Ganga form the Sundari One delta. Sundari One बहुत ज्यादा मिलते हैं, इसीलिए क्योंकि जो आपकी गंगा डेल्टा है वो सुंदर वन मिलते हैं, जिसके कारण इन्हें सुंदरी जंगल भी कहा जाता है। Now we are taking the next and the last mountain forest. Student, according to the mountain forest is also known as mountain forest, and according to the variation in height, the vegetation will be changed. If 100 to 2000 in these areas, evergreen, broad leaves trees are mainly found. Oak, chestnut are mainly forest or mainly trees which are mainly found in these height. Second is 1500 to 3000 meter. Temperate forests are mainly found. Coniferous इस तरह के पेड़ होते हैं क्योंकि इस एरिया में बर्फ गिरनी शुरू हो जाती है, बर्फ यहाँ से गिरती है, नीचे फिसल जाती है, इसीलिए पाइन, देवदार, सिल्वर फर, स्प्रूस are the important trees which are mainly found in this site. About 3600 temperate forests and grasslands are mainly found. So student, today's topic we have taken the types of vegetation, and in shortly you can say 5 types of vegetation we are found in India. Thank you student. In our next topic we will take about the wild.